get ready to discover the ultimate cinnamon pecan pie. Taste buds will be wanting more.
Welcome to Ghost Host Kitchen. We're Sean and Heather. Today we're going to show you how to make a cinnamon pecan pie.
We start by making a great pie crust using flour, sugar, salt, and butter. You just add those ingredients to your food processor and pulse until pea-sized balls of dough begin to form. After that, you can add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water and then run your food processor until the dough forms into a ball. You're going to transfer that dough ball to a floured surface, and don't forget to flour your hands. You're going to knead it about 5 to 7 times, and then you're going to divide it in half by weight into 2 equally sized portions. These 2 portions you're going to form into discs, wrap, and then refrigerate for about an hour. So after your pie dough has rested in the refrigerator for about an hour, roll it out into a circle that is approximately 2 inches wider than your pie pan. And then you can simply wrap the pie crust around your rolling pin and transfer it to your pie pan. But this is a pecan pie, not a pecan pie. In the South, we don't have pecans, we have pecans. You don't have a trash can, you have a trash can. And after that, we're going to make the pecan filling. The funny thing here is we were actually looking for the recipe for this, and we pulled out my wife's grandmother's cookbook, and the recipe was very scant. Now, it started just like you see here: eggs, some sugar. We used brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, but it didn't have any instructions. And so we didn't really know how to make it. We could guess, but we didn't know how. Until we went to make a pecan pie, pulled out the bottle of Karo Syrup, which you just saw us add a cup there to the bowl with some cinnamon. And the recipe, the step-by-step instructions, were on the back of the Karo Syrup. My wife's grandmother's recipe was the Karo Syrup recipe. It's a funny thing. Finish it off with 2 tablespoons of butter and then whisk until everything's combined. Now here we're also going to make an egg wash for this because you want your crust to get a beautiful color to it. So you saw we mixed all the ingredients there, the Karo syrup, the sugar, the eggs, the vanilla. Set that aside, make an egg wash. Now pull out your pie pan and add your pecans, and then paint your crust with the egg wash. Again, give it that beautiful color. And hey, if you want to see us make more recipes out of Grandma's cookbook, leave us a comment. So now once you have your pecans in there, just pour your filling right over top of them and then throw it in the oven to bake. And that's all there is to it. You're going to let it bake, it's going to set up, and you're going to have a beautiful pecan pie.
We like this recipe and we hope that you will too. Like, subscribe, share, and give us a comment to let us know what you think about this video.